Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We are going to learn how to drop one or several files in your drop zone in order to allow your accountant to retrieve it. From the home page, click on My Files tab in order to access all the files. Click on the folder which is assigned to you. Several subfolders appear on the screen. Folders with a lock cannot be modified. To drop a file for your accountant, click the Drop Zone folder. Click Upload File. Choose the file on your computer and click Open. Your file has successfully been shared. You can also perform a drag and drop. To do this, drag a file from your computer and drop it in the drop zone. You can also drop several files in once. Your accountant can now view your document.